In today's rapidly evolving business landscape, the adoption of artificial intelligence in sales operations is no longer a luxury but a necessity for staying competitive. With AI, we have the unprecedented opportunity to revolutionize the sales strategies, drive efficiency, and enhance customer experiences. Welcome to VAR India News. AI offers a multitude of capabilities that can transform sales strategies, streamline processes, and elevate customer experiences. Moreover, AI powered sales tools can automate repetitive tasks such as lead scoring, email outreach, and follow up reminders. This frees up valuable time for sales professionals to focus on building relationships with prospects and providing strategic guidance to customers. AI driven chatbots and virtual assistants can improve customer service and support by providing instant responses to inquiries, guiding users through the sales process, and resolving common issues in real time. This not only enhances the overall customer experience but also helps to increase conversion rates and drive revenue growth. As per Accenture, AI powered businesses could increase their profitability by an average of 38% by 2035. This underscores the importance of embracing AI in sales transformation journey. A report highlights how some of the corporates are already using in their regular operations. Data driven insights for informed decision making. Salesforce leveraged AI driven analytics to predict customer behavior, resulting in a 30% increase in sales productivity. Personalized marketing and customer engagement. Netflix issues AI algorithms to recommend personalized content to its users, contributing to increased customer satisfaction and retention rates. Sales process automation for efficiency. ChatGPT implemented AI driven chatbots for lead qualification, resulting in a 40% reduction in response time and a 20% increase in qualified leads. Performance monitoring and optimization. IBM implemented AI driven sales coaching tools, resulting in a 20% improvement in sales team performance. Enhanced customer relationship management. Amazon uses AI for personalized recommendations and targeted marketing, contributing to increased customer loyalty and lifetime value. Adoption of AI in sales operations is not just a trend but a strategic imperative for driving business success. By harnessing the power of AI driven insights, personalized marketing, process automation, performance monitoring, and enhanced CRM, companies can transform sales strategies, deepen customer relationships, and achieve sustainable growth in today's digital age. Growth oriented companies will embrace this opportunity with enthusiasm and determination to lead their organizations to new heights of success. Let's look into today's headline. AI powered financial assistants to be introduced by Microsoft and Wipro. Microsoft and Wipro collaborate to launch a line of generative AI powered assistants intended for the financial services industry. They have worked together to create three cognitive assistants: Wipro Gen AI Loan Origination, Wipro Gen AI Investor Onboarding, and Wipro Gen AI Investor Intelligence. These generative AI tools can be integrated with current digital and mobile platforms, and they are powered by Azure OpenAI. McAfee and Intel demonstrated defect detection powered by AI. At RSA San Francisco, McAfee revealed improvements to its AI-powered defect detection tool that makes use of the NPU in PCs with Intel Core Ultra processors. The sophisticated artificial intelligence technology that powers McAfee Defect Detector, formerly known as Project Mockingbird, was introduced earlier this year in response to consumers mounting concerns about spotting deepfake frauds and false information. Controversy on Instagram over kiss challenge video with minor invoking POCSO and IT Act. Instagram has faced backlash after a contentious video featuring a mother and her son engaging in a kiss challenge was uploaded on the social media site. A lawsuit has been filed under the Information Technology Act and the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences (POCSO) Act in response to this occurrence, which happened in South Dinajpur, West Bengal. Following the video's viral success and the ensuing severe concerns it raised regarding the safety and privacy of minors on the internet, the National Commission for Protection of Child Rights (NCPCR) took action against the prominent social media company. Voting on the Lok Sabha elections of 2024 reaches a record high. Undertaking an in-depth investigation, Filter It, and organizations specializing in open source intelligence and digital fraud detection discovered a complex network of offshore online gaming and betting performance that are abusing India's payment systems to carry out illegal activities in connection with the ongoing Lok Sabha elections. These foreign registered platforms are not only violating Indian laws and tax rules, but they may also have an impact on democratic processes by offering bets relating to elections. Bets can be placed on seat-wise, state-wise or party-wise results, with sums ranging from as little as 100 rupees to as much as 10 lakh rupees. Microsoft and OpenAI pooled $2 million to combat deepfakes in elections. A $2 million, around 14.7 crore rupees fund has been set up by Microsoft and OpenAI to fight election deepfakes. The project aims to combat the threat and artificial intelligence generated disinformation poses during the next elections, which are predicted to involve 2 billion voters in 50 nations. Notably, political parties have been advised not to use deepfakes in digital campaigns by the Election Commission of India. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.